Kia ora whanau. Yeah, I thought I'd do a EDC flashlight, keychain flashlight video. Just got a package in the mail today. So this was my original flashlight, the TRUSTFIRE Mini. Not sure if it's got anything written on that. No. Specs on that is, I couldn't find a lot of specs actually, because it's so old, and it was just a Cree CR123A battery in it, and I want to say it was actually quite bright. So later on I'll do a test on brightness, so you can see how they perform. And I want to, at a guess, say around 300 lumen. Yeah, so you had to recharge the battery yourself. You can take the battery out. So I think it was only on, only had one. You just twist it on, twist it off. And then I went to this Cyansky M2. This has got a built-in battery, and it's the USB rechargeable before USB-C, and it did have a rubber thing over it, so it was waterproof. So the specs on that was 200 lumen, runtime 48 minutes, 54 lumen, medium 5 hours, low 24 hours, and the low was 3.6 lumens. And then I found Nitecore Tiki, and it's the LE, and that's USB-C rechargeable. That is so light and small. If that had the specs of my new one, yeah, that would be my second favorite. Cheap, and specs on that is 300 lumens high for 30 minutes, 60 lumens 1 hour, 15 lumens 4 hours, and 1 lumen 40 hours. Which leaves us to this one here. I saw on Amazon, and what I like too is it's got a pocket clip, but that you could actually clip that onto a baseball cap, and USB-C rechargeable. This is the Tuenge S12 Plus, and what sold me on this was the specs. 600 lumen. I'm not sure how that's the super brightness. Not sure how long that lasts for, but 500 lumen 4 hours, 350 lumen 5 hours, 35 lumen 5.5 hours, and 3.5 lumen 34.5 hours. So those specs alone is what sold me on this as an update for my keychain flashlight. And it has got magnets there, but they're not really strong enough. I tried to stick it on my fridge. They're they're not strong enough to, so they're basically pointless. So that's all the specs and a quick look at them. I'll pause you, come back, and we'll do a brightness test when it gets dark tonight. Righto whanau, I'm going to test these flashlights. First, the TRUSTFIRE. Bear with me, I've got my headlamp on. Oh. So that's not that great, is it? It's gone a bit flat, but yeah, it's my TRUSTFIRE one. So we'll call that a fail. Right, whanau, this is the bear with me. Right, whanau, this is the Cyansky M2. .200 lumen. So that's not too bad, is it? Now I'm running through the cycle of this is the Nitecore Tiki 300 lumen. So that's not too bad, is it? Pause it. Now this is the Tuenge what's it? S12 Plus. It seems to have a longer throw. So that's the 600 lumen. Yeah, you can hit that tree at the end of the paddock. Yeah, so I'm stoked with that for a keychain torch. So this is looking down the front road of my place. So I'll show you a daylight shot tomorrow. Right. Into testing. So there's a distance of in daylight of, yeah, how far down the front roadway here into that tree there. I'm still getting used to this new phone. Every time I get something close to the screen, it loses focus. So yeah, did work something out with there. And that's the apple tree across the road. So let me know your thoughts on these Keychain flashlights, friends. I'll try and put as much info on the specs in the comment section. Jason here in Real Water, New Zealand. Ka kite anō.